the people.
Free the land.
Free the people.
Free the land.
Free the people.
Free the land.
Health and Wellness Bureau of People's Programs. We're a Black socialist organization providing decolonization programs to the communities in Oakland. Today, we're so excited to be with Fam1st, running these football clinics, and we're giving free physicals to the kids. One, to give the parents a little break on the cost, and two, to offer community services, be part of the community, and get the youth familiar with the work that we do. Thank you so much for having us. We're juiced to be here. We have doctors from UCSF, students, nurses, all type of people from all throughout the Bay here to give free physicals.
A shout out to the People's Program today, supporting the kids that don't have physicals, because physicals is needed in football, youth football, high school football, and a lot of parents like me, we haven't got around to get our kids physicals. So today was a very good plus that they provided free physicals, for children that didn't have them. So I just want to say thank you for that, and that's grateful, and that's good for the community as well.
You feeling good? Little man, you get your physical? Huh? He didn't? Why not? You didn't want to get a physical?
He didn't go to the doctor.
Oh, he didn't go to the doctor? Okay. Maybe next time. You scared? Don't be scared. There's nothing to be scared of. The doctor is safe. That's the best place for you. Instead on these streets, with all this gun violence going around, we just here in the community trying to save our youth. We got free physicals for them today. People's Community medical mobile van came out here giving the kids free physicals today on behalf of the Berkeley Junior Jackets and Young Lives Matter. We out here just trying to be there for the youth and save our youth. We got mentoring programs for the youth, football and cheer for the youth. We just trying to keep them out of the streets, off the streets, and keep them busy.
I got a daughter who plays volleyball, my son who plays baseball, and my two sons who play basketball, football. But we've been with the Jackets, playing football and trying to build a team. We left 1 year because things kind of got rocky, and then we came back and went to the championship just last year. And we've been having fun ever since, but it's just getting calls every day, hey, these kids are out here in the streets. Well, guess what? Do something about it. Reach one, teach one. You always can change a kid's life. You can't change an adult life because their life is already like, hey, it's this that we're gonna do. But you can pick up a kid from their house and say, hey, I'm gonna take them for 2-3 hours to go play a sport. Hey, I'm gonna go take them to a museum or something. Some of these kids never been to Juneteenth. I brought 10 kids to Juneteenth last year, and they was like, what is this? Where did this come from? And this is something that you reaching and teaching. Now they're like, Coach, can we go with you this day? Can we go with you to go do this? I got kids now who is in high school talking about I'm in photography. He said, he great football player, but he said, man, I'm in photography. Can I come and talk to you about videotaping some of the games? I don't know if it's the high vibrant of who I am and he wants to be around me, but at the same time, I say, man, yeah, come on and let's, come on and let's go play the game, and you can videotape it, but I want to watch you play because that's something that I've always had the interest in, because you have fun. You enjoyed the game. Now you want to watch other people have fun. It's a difference, but you're making a difference by going a different way. Maybe you're not going to stray playing sports. You're going to go and do something else. Once you get to college, you got to figure it out.
Hey, Curio!
Where you at?
My name is Tanam Domingue. My role is a volunteer coach with the 510 Legacy Bay Area Spartans organization. Due to some hard work with me and other people like the People's Program, I have become the de facto athletic director here. I've been coaching for over 30 years. I came to this organization last year because I stay in Oakland and I was taking kids to San Francisco. And I was like, I need to stop taking kids to San Francisco to play when there's teams here in Oakland. And so Maine allowed me to join this organization. And in our first year here, we took the Division II championship. And so this is my second year here with this team. And I see what he got, and I'm trying to help him grow. I was one of these kids. I was one of these kids that just followed the environment and did everything everybody else was doing, but sports pulled me away from that lifestyle. You know, being out there hustling and continually going to jail, and sports took me away from that. It allowed me to be able to go to other communities. I was able to say, when I did go to other communities, it was like, I played ball with him, he cool. I mean, we living in a real violent time and era. It's an angry spirit, I say, over the world right now. And this gives these kids some hope. Because I say, if you don't give them a ball, they're gonna throw it around. And that leads to more trouble.
As a Black physician, it's really important to show the community that we are here, that we are present, and that we can offer free physicals for the team so that folks can have this access. Even if they have primary care, it's always nice to touch different bases with other folks just to make sure things aren't missed and they can have that access here with the People's Program.
And as a nurse, there's so many people that don't have access to health care. They don't have access to food. And the government isn't gonna provide it for us. And so I love being in an organization that recognizes that need in the community and provides it. And they do it with sincerity, they do it with honesty, they do it with love for the people. And from the moment I volunteered, I felt that. And that was something I wanted to be a part of. It's something that I tell other nurses to be a part of. And that's why I'm here. Just like today's event. A lot of these kids don't have parental involvement, or maybe they don't have health care coverage, and we're here providing them a service. They have coaches that love them, and I think it's important for them to see practitioners, to see people from the community that are also showing them love, that are also providing care for them, so that they know that they're deserving of that.
The first time I played organized football, I was either 9 or 10, and I played, where we're at right now is San Pablo Park. I played for San Pablo Park's flag football team. And we used to like play and practice all over all these fields. And then the following year, I came and I signed up for the Berkeley Cougars. And if you would have told me as a 10 or 11-year-old that I would come back here 20 years later in People's Programs, an organization that I am a part of and that I co-founded, would be working with the community of Berkeley to provide these resources to the community, I definitely wouldn't have believed it. The past 3 weeks has really been what I believe to be like a testament to the power of God and what's possible when community comes together. If you look at what we've been able to do this month in reference to partner with these different community organizations to bring these free physicals to youth athletes, it wouldn't be possible without community. And I look at the relationships that I've had with these different organizations over the course of my life, right? If we start with Fam1st, that being the first partnership of this month. And, you know, I've known Marshawn and Josh since I was a kid. And I actually grew up playing youth football with both the younger brothers right here at San Pablo Park with the Berkeley Cougars. Marcus, I've known him since I was a child. We went to the same preschool together and then grew up competing against each other on the Bay Area high school football scene, and then eventually both of us getting football scholarships and going to college in Seattle and Idaho, and us training together when we would come home and me going to his games. And so it's just really beautiful what's possible when community members come together. Like I said, I grew up playing for the Berkeley Cougars, which is the organization that gave birth to the Berkeley Junior Jackets, I would say. And so, you know, I remember my registration day up here when I was 11, 12 years old, and how hard it was for me to get my discounted physical from Dr. Constantine over in the East off of MacArthur, right? So knowing that we are able, through our free mobile health clinic, to bring physicals directly to the community and being able to partner with, you know, my former coaches, my former teammates who are now coaches, is just a really beautiful and surreal moment. So I'm just grateful. And again, it's a shout out to all the hard work from these different organizations like Fam1st, like the Berkeley Junior Jackets, like 510 Legacy. And I want to give a big thank you to all the practitioners who made this possible. Free the people, free the land.
Free the people, free the land. Free the people, free the land. Free the people, free the land.